An unexpected friend, guys, when I was cutting the grass. Thank God I didn't run him over. Jem, come here. My cat. Look. Look, Jem. Look. Look, look, you're missing. Joel, come here. Joel, come here. Joel, look. Look. Frog. Right here. See? Don't bother it, Joel. There it goes. Jem. Oh, he's scared, Joel. That's my fault for showing you. Jem, come here. She don't want to know about it. Where is it, Joel? Where is it? Get out of my way, Missy. Make it jump again, Joel. Jem, come here, you're missing. Make it jump again, Joel. Oh, he's scared. I'm gonna leave him alone, you guys. You guys, there's a blue jay and a squirrel eating birdseed out right now. Usually birds are smart, they'll fly off. Just ran out of breath trying to go get my camera for this activity. Yeah, guys, check it out. Pretty cool. Look, Jem, my cat's watching it. Oh, the blue jay's back. I like all that little pouch stuff. I like how they hold it in their little paws. Is he going up the tree now? Yep. I think that's cool, you guys, how they can balance themselves on the wires, like the telephone lines. I watch them all the time from upstairs. I think that is so cool. See, he got his tail out like that. I never knew they did that. Probably protection. I have never seen a squirrel puff their tail out like that. Unless he thinks I'm gonna hurt him. Which, duh, you know I come out here and feed you. Yeah, I never paid attention to all that. Okay, guys, I just thought that was kind of interesting. Just wanted to show you. Hopefully I can catch some of the cool birds we get to come over here. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Oh, there's two of them. That's why he was defending himself. Another one's up there. Another one's there. Whoa, where'd he go? Oh, crap. Chasing each other. Huh. Cool. See you guys later. I just wanted to show you.